can you?
Oh.
Jesus.
I love the hang time.
Yeah. I need this. I need this. Oh, we're going the other way this time.
We're going a different way.
We are. We're going back. I knew it was coming, and I still didn't expect it. Jeez. So much airtime. I feel like my penis is keeping me in. Through current. Scheiße. Fucking hell.
Wow.
That's amazing. That's amazing. Need to sit down at a less thrilling sit down.